And the last, but my absolute favorite, my YSL pieces. Hey there, my handsome and pretty little Cobras, and welcome back to the Cobra's Nest. So I want to give a big thank you to subscriber Savage Cat for today's request. She asked me could I show my SLG collection. So it is not very big. This is everything that I currently have, and I'm gonna share that with you guys. So if you're curious what is in the SLG collection, let's get it, let's go. Woo! Okay, so let's just go in order from oldest to newest. The oldest leather piece that I currently have is this genuine leather. It's a very minimalistic piece. I got this during my extreme minimalism days. I just wanted like an amazing leather quality. This cost me like 600 Taiwanese dollars, and inside of it is just like Taiwanese money. So I'll just show you guys that. Plus like the subway card. It's pretty good for bills. I don't really use much bills in Canada, so this is really good for countries that still use a lot of cash. Then I have this one. So this is my embossed leather from Coach. You can see she is well loved. The patina is beautiful. She's a little bit fat here and thin here because I do use it a lot. I use it more as like a catch-all, and that's what she looks like. I think I paid like, I want to say like 50 something for this. I still have their like little cards and oh my gosh. I got this from the outlet a couple years ago. I want to say like 4 or 5 years ago. 98, but I think it was half of that, and after tax it was like $50. So I just put that in there, and it's just like my catch-all for like lipsticks and all that good stuff. And yeah, she's going strong. I absolutely love Coach. The hardware and everything is still shiny. Chef's kiss. Love Coach. Then another Coach piece that I have. So this is the White Glacier. This is like the skinny mini ID. Sorry, I have my ID on the back. I just want to cover that up. And yeah, that's what it looks like, and I have some pieces in there, my wallet, and on the inside I just have like temple readings. Like it's not even money because here in Canada I mostly use like my cards to pay for stuff. So yeah, that's what she looks like. I absolutely love Coach's wallets. This one is great. This is my current wallet. As you can see, I'm like currently using that, and that just goes into my small little bags because a lot of my bags are very small. So these sizes are perfect because these unfortunately do not fit my actual wallets anymore if I use these types. So then next up I have 2 canvas pieces. So this one I got in Hawaii for I want to say like a little under 300 USD, and it's nothing spectacular. I don't even know if this can be considered like a wallet. It's like a catch-all. It's technically for your keys. It's really like, yeah, it's just like more sentimental. Really, like more than anything. I think you are definitely paying a lot for canvas pieces. I'm not the biggest fan to pay for Louis Vuitton canvas pieces. It's just, yeah, not quite worth the money. Then I have the Victorine wallet, which I got during my China trip, which was in 2023. I don't know the price of this one. This was a gift from Will. So yeah, it just has like the front pocket on the inside. It's pink on the inside. I think it's called like ballerina pink. And yeah, there's slots, and it has a cute little closure. It comes in 2 variants, the gold tip and then like the rubber pink tip. I prefer the gold tip. I just think it looks a lot classier. And this one is also pretty good because she's like also pretty thin, and you can just like put the, like it's like that same size, so it's really good. But I'm not currently using it in rotations because like the metal was starting to get scratched, and like I wasn't loving that. And then my last little pieces, my YSL, and the last, but my absolute favorite, my YSL pieces. So I'm super excited. These ones are leather, and I love them to bits. So let's go in order from the ones that I got first. So the first one that I got was this one. This is my first YSL piece ever before I got the Gabby. So this one is Python. It's embossed Python. I don't think it's actual Python leather, but the style is Python, and then the top here is just lambskin. And it's just so beautiful. I really like the Python aesthetic because my username is Natalie Cobra, so anything like snake related is totally up my aisle. So love that. I wanted something very clean. Originally I wanted to get the Cassandra, but when I saw the Python leather, I was like, this is chic, this is very elegant, this is a totally me. So yeah, I definitely had to get the gold hardware. I was not gonna get silver. I'm not a silver girly. I much prefer gold hardware. So that's what she looks like. I paid, I wanna say like 300 something. Wow, it's been like 2-3 years since I got this piece. It's been some time. I think it has appreciated in value. I don't really keep track of these things anymore, but yeah, I want to say like 300 something for this piece, so I'm like really happy. I think last time I checked it was like 500, which I don't think is worth the price point. I don't know how I feel, like me personally, about paying $500 for a card holder. I think at the 500 price point you can already get like a full leather bag. So All right, and then the next piece that I got was this one. So I think this one was the following year, and this one was this is in the Gabby style with the baby YSL insignia. And this one is so cute. This one was just like everything. It's the same print as the Gabby series, so this is the Gabby, and I absolutely love it. It's absolutely stunning. Both of these are in the color Vintage Blanc, which is like their creamy white gray tone. Very, very, very pretty, and I love how the color is very consistent through the series. And she has like a little bit of like an oomph, a little bounce to her, and she's like absolutely adorable. I think this one was the same price point. It was like 300 something for this one, or was it 400? I'm not sure. Oh, I still have the thing on the inside. So let's see, how much did I pay for this? So yes, I paid $419 before taxes, so it was about a little under $500 for this wallet. So as I said, I was like, I was not going to pay any more than $500. I think these have gotten a little bit expensive, so this is and was my last card holder. I haven't bought one since. I bought this last year, I want to say, and since then I've just been like, I'm done. Like, I already have enough. Like, I have 2 luxury ones. I have like some that I can just like beat around. I'm just like, I'm good. Like, I'm not even wearing these. Like, these just sit on my vanity, and I'm like, okay, I'm done. I got it out of my system. I wanted one of these since 2020, and they're off my checklist, and so I will not be adding any more to my roster. I did mention that in one of my videos. I was like, I'm not even gonna get a Chanel. Like, I don't need more wallets. It's just completely unnecessary. And then the very last piece that I got, I don't know if this would be considered an SLG, but she was a pretty penny. This one was also $400. I know, insane. I really don't know what I was thinking. I have since woken up. I have not bought anything luxury designer in the past year. Yeah, it's an Airphone case, and I got it because it is the micro of the Gabby. You guys know that I have the Gabby, so I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get this. Like, I'm not saying I'm always a smart shopper. I'm not always a smart shopper, but it fills me with joy. I use it for either putting in the AirPods, or even sometimes I just use it as a mini catch-all. I usually put like some lip glosses or something like that on the inside, like the baby lip glosses. And I think it can carry, yeah, so you can just like put like a baby lip gloss on the inside, or like a lip balm like this, like the Aqua de Parmi. I just put that in there, and then I just hook this onto a purse, and like that's pretty much it. Like, it's actually a pretty practical SLG. I would love to tell you that it's useless. Thank God for me, it has not been useless. I put like a hair tie, anything that I need, and it's great because I don't like carrying a lot of stuff. I am still a minimalist at the end of the day, and so this prevents me from carrying a lot of junk, but she's very useful. I can take 2 lippies. I can even put eye drops in there. I think it even fits like a full bullet, if I remember correctly. Okay, no, not a full bullet, unfortunately, but it's fine. The travel size does the trick. So I just want to say thank you so much to Savage Cat for the video request. This was so much fun to film, and I will see my Cobra babies in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!